lawyer Femi Falana San has explained that Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyomo, also known as Sunday Igboho, cannot be extradited to Nigeria from the Benin Republic without due processes of law. Falana, in a statement, argued that Igboho could not be extradited to Nigeria without due process as prescribed by Article 12(4) of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, which provides that a non-national legal admitted in a territory of a state party to the present chapter may only be expelled from it by virtue of a decision taken in accordance with the law. The human rights lawyer added that the Nigerian government could not bring the Yoruba Nation agitator to the country without first making a request for his extradition and prosecution in Nigeria, pursuant to the provisions of the Economic Community of West African States Convention A/B/1/8/94 on extradition, which is applicable in the 15 member states of the ECOWAS. Falana said a few weeks ago, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, was allegedly abducted in Nairobi, Kenya, and forcefully brought to Nigeria by security force. Even though Kanu was liable to be arrested and brought back to Nigeria to face trial, having jumped bail, the refusal of the federal government to follow due process in the case has exposed Nigeria to international disgrace. However, unlike Kenya, the Republic of Benin has rejected the demand to deport Chief Adeyomo outside the ambit of the law. Hence, the federal government has submitted a request for the extradition of Igboho in accordance with the provisions of the ECOWAS Convention on Extradition and the Extradition Law of Benin Republic. On July 1st, 2021, the residence of Chief Sunday Adeyomo, aka Igboho at Ibadan, Oyo State, was raided by armed operatives of the State Security Service (SSS). Even though Igboho escaped arrest, 2 of his guards were killed, while 13 other people were forcefully arrested in the compound and taken to Abuja, where they have been held. Thereafter, Igboho was declared wanted and put on International Criminal Police Organization (Interpol) watch list by the State Security Service (SSS). We have, however, confirmed that Igboho and his wife were arrested by Interpol in Cotonou, Benin Republic on Monday, July 19, 2021, on their way to Germany. According to media reports, Igboho and his wife are currently being detained by the police authorities in a criminal police station in Cotonou. If they are indicted for breaching the Criminal Code of Benin Republic, they are liable to be arraigned before a criminal court in Cotonou. Contrary to speculations in the media, it is submitted that Igboho cannot be expelled from Benin and deported to Nigeria on the basis of his arrest by Interpol without due processes as prescribed by Article 12(4) of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, which provides that a non-national illegal admitted a territory of a state party to the present chapter may only be expelled from it by virtue of a decision taken in accordance with the law. Thus, the federal government cannot bring back Igboho to the country without first making a request for his extradition and prosecution in Nigeria, pursuant to the provisions of the ECOWAS Convention. Extradition, which is applicable in the 15 member states of the ECOWAS. It is pertinent to note that the 1994 ECOWAS Convention has subsided the 1984 extradition treaty between Nigeria, Togo, Benin, and Ghana, pursuant to Article 32 of the ECOWAS Convention on Extradition. Accordingly, upon the receipt of a request for the extradition of Igboho, the government of Benin Republic will be under a legal obligation to commence extradition proceedings in one of its domestic courts. It is pertinent to point out that by virtue of Article 28(2) of the ECOWAS Convention on Extradition, the procedure with regard to extradition and provisional arrest are governed solely by the law of the requested state, for example, Benin Republic. Apart from providing for a speedy extradition procedure, the government of Benin Republic shall ensure that Igboho, whose extradition is requested, has the right to be heard by a judicial authority and to be assisted by the law of his own choice. Nigeria specifically requested by Article 4 of the ECOWAS Convention on Extradition to convince the court in Cotonou that the offense in respect of which Igboho is wanted is not political for the purpose of persecuting him on account of his ethnic group or political opinion. Various provisions of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights and International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, to which Nigeria is also a party, apply as well. As noted, if the person is lawfully within the territory of the rendering state, extradition requires due process. So guys, you've all heard it now. Nigerians have reacted. Someone said here, the Igbos and the Yorubas have displayed enough strength over the years to show that they are ready to separate from this evil country. I still cannot understand why the northern parts are so scared of separation. Someone said here, Igboho must be extradited to Nigeria and face justice like Nnamdi Kanu. Alright, so guys, there are lots of reactions here. This is not new. We all understand that. Okay, it's coming from a northerner. So guys, I'm going to drop it here. Kindly hit the comment section and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much for this coming out here.